Hey, Jack here at Buddy Stubbs Harley. Today we're installing the Super Sport Vance & Hines mufflers on this 2024 Road Glide. Come check it out. All right, Dave, let's get this out of the box. And here they are. New Super Sport Vance & Hines muffler. See all the way through it. These come from Vance & Hines, the 4-inch can. And what's real nice about these is it's dimpled for your axle and your axle nut on the other side, so that when you're traveling down the road hitting bumps, the exhaust doesn't contact the axle. Hey, one thing we wanted to mention about these Vance & Hines mufflers, Vance & Hines has been really good to us over the years. Our rental fleet is outfitted entirely with Vance & Hines mufflers, and it's the only rental fleet you'll find has performance exhaust on it. So when it's time for you to come rent here in Arizona, make sure you come to Buddy Stubbs, get your performance bagger.
It comes in mufflers will loose fit everything, get everything installed, snugged up, and then progressively just start to tighten everything down so nothing binds for further down the road of cracking. You see right here, if I make a imaginary line on this mount, and with this lip, kind of want to match it on this side. It's a little off. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it a little bit.
This is what I was talking about earlier with the clearance on the axle nut to the muffler. And not all exhaust manufacturers do that. All right, guys, now that we got this Vance & Hines exhaust system installed, we're gonna take this thing out for lunch. You know how we like supporting local businesses? Let's go. Hey guys, we made it to 32 Shea, which is right here at 32nd Street in Shea. We got some food coming out. Definitely one of the best patios that we've been to so far. Plenty of seating. Everything's made here in-house. They don't bring anything from the outside.
We're open so Monday through Saturday. We're open till 8 p.m.
Oh,
Sunday.
Monday through Saturday till 8?
Yeah, Sunday's more of just a brunch day, so we open at 7 a.m. and then we close around 3 p.m.
Now, do you have a separate dinner menu than the lunch menu?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we got a breakfast menu, lunch is all day, and then a specific dinner menu that starts at 3 p.m.
Nice. Can't wait to try this thing. That's a damn good meatball sub right there. So if you guys are looking for another great place to come on the bike, come on down to 32 Shea, and I recommend the meatball sub. Hey guys, we just finished up at 32 Shea, and I can't tell you how delicious that was. Hey, if there's a place you want us to go next week, drop us a comment below, and we'll see you there.